Back again with our fifth keyboard. Introducing K8, a versatile 10-keyless wireless mechanical keyboard. Designed with the most favored layout, with all the essential keys that's accessible with ease, but still compact. The K8 is perfect for completing your work, browsing for entertainment, and gaming, while enabling you to customize your typing experience effortlessly. With the K8 hot swappable version, you can alter every single switch in seconds without any soldering. Engineered with two switch types, the Keychron mechanical switch offers several switch options for an exceptional fingertip feel. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. Crafted for those who demand millisecond precision, you can type and play at warp speed with the optical switches. Compatible with Mac OS and Windows, the K8 is ideal for multitasking. You can connect the K8 with up to 3 devices via the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip and switch amongst devices swiftly, or connect it to a device with a Type-C cable. A designated Siri or Cortana key can also make life easier. Comes with 15 RGB backlight options to deliver a colorful light show straight to you. 2 adjustable angled rubber feet that allows you to find a comfortable typing angle, and a 4000 mAh battery to ensure a constant power supply. Keychron K8, your ultimate wireless mechanical keyboard.